Let's look at question 8a from the January 2020 CSEC mathematics paper. And remember to visit the website mathematicsclass.org for more videos. Now, question 8a says solve the pair of simultaneous equations. This pair of simultaneous equations. You have y squared plus 2y plus 11. Let me make it go. Let me make some more space here. Y squared plus 2y plus 11 is equal to x. Then you have x is equal to 5 minus 3y. Okay, since x is equal to 5 minus 3y, what you could do is substitute. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So you have y squared plus 2x plus 11 is equal to x, but x is 5 minus 3y. You see, we have two unknowns here, and we have two unknowns here. Two unknowns in equation 1, two unknowns in equation 2. So let's substitute one equation into another so that we have a new equation with only one unknown. So what we have, since we know that x is 5 minus 3y and this is equal to x, what we do, instead of putting x here, we put 5 minus 3y. Okay. Now, I had put 2x here. It should be 2y. Right, 2y. Alright, so we have y squared plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 5 minus 3y. Let's put the y, this 3y on the right. In fact, let's put everything on the right over to the left. We have y squared plus 2y plus 11. Subtract 5 from both sides. On the left we minus 5, on the right 5 minus itself and it's gone. We have negative 3y. If you add 3y to both sides, negative 3y plus itself will go on the right hand side, and you will have plus 3y here on the left is equal to 0. Let's put all the y's together. You have y squared plus 2y plus 3y would give you 5y plus 11 minus 5 would be 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Alright, now what you have is a quadratic equation to solve. The quadratic formula is in your formula sheet. It has x in it, but instead of x we're going to be using y. If you look at the quadratic formula, it says x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But in this case it's y we're using instead of x. Now you need to identify a, b and c. In this case a is the number that multiplies y squared, so a is 1. B is the number that would multiply y. It would multiply x in the other equations, but it multiplies y here, so it is 5. C is this last number here, 6. So y is equal to negative 5 plus and minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6, all over 2 times a, which is 1. Let's put a line, draw a line here and continue the work over here. So y is equal to negative 5 plus and minus the square root of This would be 25 minus 4, 6, 24 all over 2 ones 2. So y is equal to negative 5 plus and minus. This would be the square root of 1. 25 minus 24 is 1. So the square root of 1 is just 1 over 2. So you have y is equal to negative 5 plus 1 over 2 in one case, and y is equal to negative 5 minus 1 over 2 in the other case. So y is going to be negative 5 plus 1. Negative 5 plus 1 is going to be negative 4 over 2. Y is also equal to negative 5 minus 1, which is negative 6 over 2. Negative 4 half, negative 6 half. So this is y is equal to, when you cancel down, you're going to get negative 2, and y is also equal to, when you cancel down, you get negative 3. Good. So you have two values for y. You need two values for x. I'm going to erase what I have over here to make more space. Now, you have x equals 5 minus 3y. So, when y is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 5 minus 3 times negative 2, which is what? 5 minus 3 by negative 2 is negative 6. So it's 5 minus negative 6, which is 5 plus 6, which is 11. And then, when y is equal to negative 3, x is equal to, it's going to be 5 minus 3 times negative 3, which is 5 minus 3 by negative 3 is negative 9. 5 minus negative 9 is the same as 5 plus 9, which is 14. So the solution is that when y is negative 2, x is 11, and when y is negative 3, x is 14. Alright? Now we could test these equations and see if they really do work out, or test these solutions, I should say, and see if they work out. When y is negative 2, negative 2 squared, that's 4, minus 2 2's 4, 4 minus 4, plus 11 is equal to 11. X is 11. Good, that one works. Let's try. And we know it works already with equation 2, because 11. X is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. You could try equation 2 as well. When you have y is negative 3, negative 3 squared is 9, plus 2y is going to be plus 2 by negative 3, which is minus 2 by 3, minus 6, 9 minus 6, plus 11 is 14. So it does work with equation 1. And then of course equation 3, 14x would be 5 minus 3 by 3. 5 minus 3 by 3 by negative 3, I should say. 5 minus 3 by negative 3, it would be 5 minus negative 9, which is 14. So the equations do work, alright? Or the solutions do work out for the equations. This is 8a. 8b. Let's leave 8b for another video.